Greg Bennett.
Whew, rough stuff in Texas when it comes to the flooding, but here we don't have to worry about that. What we do have, though, is some pretty intense thunderstorm activity. We'll talk about that in just a quick second, right after we discuss the tropics. It's going to be very quick with the tropics because, well, it's rather quiet out there, especially around the Atlantic Basin, even getting into the Caribbean and portions of the Gulf of Mexico. At least for the next 48 hours, we are good to go, clean and clear for any type of tropical development. Now, back at home, though, on Titan HD radar, we're starting to see a lot of scattered showers and some pretty intense thunderstorm activity into Thomasville. Let's go ahead and get a little bit closer into Thomasville, tell you really where this stuff is. It's heading very, very slowly towards the south and towards the east. If you are going to be on highway, maybe 84, perhaps 19, or getting off on 319, you might want to go ahead and steer clear of these roads, get off them for the time being. This is moving at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but you can tell, very intense. A lot of rainfall with this particular thunderstorm. We're looking at about 1/8 of an inch per hour, and frequent lightning is involved with this particular thunderstorm. So ideally, try to stay off those roads, try to stay indoors as well, and let this thunderstorm pass. But unfortunately, it looks like we're going to continue with this type of a pattern as we get into tomorrow afternoon and the next afternoon and the next afternoon. That typical summer pattern. We'll talk more about that in our surface map in a quick second. But first, temperatures not too shabby where you're seeing the rainfall because you really start to cool down. 82 degrees in Tallahassee. Perry around 84, but Valdosta not seeing the shower activity just yet. 92 degrees. Same deal in Waycross, 97. 88 in Dothan. Ozark around 89 degrees. Now these temperatures will drop as we get into the evening hours and will slow the rain chances, or at least the accumulation of the shower activity throughout North Florida and South Georgia and Alabama, but it's not going to snuff it out. We're going to keep it at about a 30% chance for the wet stuff, and the reason why is because of these scattered showers and thunderstorms and what they're associated with. If you can paint a line just behind this, that's a cold front. And what's going to happen with that cold front, at least in the next 48 hours, is it's going to become stationary and just dangle here across North Florida and South Georgia and Alabama. And with this moisture filtering in from the Gulf of Mexico and the heat that we have here during the afternoon, well, it's the perfect combination to create these isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, the potential for severe weather, well, we do have it. It's a small chance, but nonetheless, we're going to continue to monitor it for you. The best chance for that severe weather is going to be in the late afternoon. We're talking 3 or 4 o'clock, ending around 6 or 7 o'clock in the early evening hours. Beach and boating forecast for you. Small craft, take caution. The reason why is because of those scattered showers and thunderstorms that will be associated with those coastal waterways. Winds coming out of the southwest at about 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Bay and inland areas featuring smooth conditions, and we're going to hold strong to that all through the afternoon and into the early evening hours. Tonight's forecast, 76 degrees, a little bit more on the warmer end than we usually see. Our average around 72. So that's why we're going to also keep those rain chances a little bit on the higher side, keeping the potential for some isolated showers to continue throughout your early morning hours for your Sunday. 7-day forecast, unfortunately 40 to 50% chances for the rainfall. That's basically that typical summer-like pattern where we have those afternoon scattered showers and those thunderstorms. So make sure if you're going to be out there, have that umbrella close at hand.
I will take the rain.
There it is.
All right. Thank you very much. Dave Griffiths is up next with sports. Dave.